Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, today in this video lecture I am gonna talk about RCC slab calculation. Sometime you people need to find cement, sand and crush an RCC slab, especially in concrete. So how you can calculate our calculation of RCC slab for material. So this is the topic for today. If the video is helpful for you, so must like and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Let's start. As you can see guys, this is RCC slab which length is 6 meters and its width is 3 meter, right? Now in this slab we need to find its volume, and after volume we need to find materials like cement, sand and aggregate, etc. But I will not discuss about cement, sand, aggregate. That's why, because in many videos I have discussed for materials calculation, but today in this video I will just tell you its calculation, right? So guys, length of this RCC slab is, for example, 6 meter and its width is 3 meter. This is RCC slab, right? Now thickness of slab is 0.15 meter, means 15 centimeters. Okay, so how we can calculate its volume and its dry volume for material calculation, right? So guys, as you can see here, first of all I need to find volume, right? Volume for this slab, right? So I need length, so guys, I need length multiply its width and multiply its thickness, right? Okay, so here length is 6 meters, its width is 3 meters, okay, and thickness is 0.15 meter, right? 0.15 meter. So its volume become, when you do calculation by calculator, 6 multiply 3 multiply 0.15, right? It becomes 2.7 meter, 2.7 cubic meter, right? Cubic meter. So this is volume. But this is not the volume in which you can find its material in RCC slab. For example, for slab, in slab, sand, cement and crush or aggregate. Okay, now we need to find its dry volume, because we bring the dry material for RCC slab, cement, also crush and also sand. It should be dry. Okay, from market we can bring dry material, right? So now this is wet material. This is just the volume of this slab, which length is 6 meter, which width is 3 meters and its thickness is 15 centimeters or 0.15 meter, right? Now to convert wet volume, this is wet volume, okay? To convert wet volume to dry, okay, our dry material or dry volume, okay, then we will multiply with 1.54, because these materials are wet materials increase 54% of wet material, then we can get dry materials, right? So multiply with 1.54, okay, so 54%. Okay, now guys, you can see dry volume is equal wet volume multiply 1.54. As you can see here, wet volume is 2.7 multiply 1.54, so it becomes 2.7 multiply 1.54, 1.54, so it becomes 4.15, 4.15 cubic meter. So this is the volume in which we can find material, or this we can say this is RCC slab calculation we can get from this video 4.15, but not this one. This is just the volume of RCC slab, but in which we can find materials, cement, sand and aggregate are crushed, so we will use this volume. So this is the main point, right? So after this we will take material proportion, okay, like M15 grade or M20 grade, M25 grade, M10 grade, etc. So after that, for that we will use this volume. Okay, so this is the short topic to discuss RCC slab calculation. So if you have any questions, so you comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.